old school pressure cooker. I've been cooking with this thing for years. I'm gonna add about 2 cups canola oil. Let that heat up. Got them clean chicken breasts. Or some spice on it. Made sure I had spice on both sides, so I'm flipping it over right now. Put some more spice on it. Now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking I gotta mix this in, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in right now. Meanwhile, my oil's still heating up a little bit. I don't have it on high, but I got it on. So I mix that up, grab me some flour, put about 2 cups in there. And I'm gonna spice up this flour right here. I'm gonna put probably about 3 tablespoons of the DEEBO'S special season mix. Maybe that much. Maybe that's about 2. That was about 2 right there. 2 tablespoons. And I'll mix it up with the flour. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna mix it in there. Now I'm gonna take one of these chicken breasts and put them inside the flour. Flour it up. See how that goes. Not too bad. Do the second one. I only did 3 of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flour these up. Comment below. Anyway, I'm flouring up this final piece I got here. See how this goes. I love cooking. Now that we've prepared our chicken breast, let's put it inside of our pressure cooker and get this oil hot. That's the way I like it. Just like this fried chicken, we didn't even think about foreplay. We got straight to it, just straight frying. Hot grease and jump right into it. Who does that? Hey, how tall are you? Leave a comment below. So I'm pressure cooking this right there. So I'm gonna pressure cook this about 5 minutes. I first fried it until I saw the brown, and I put the top on it. I fried it for about 5 minutes at 350. pressure cook, put the pressure top on it for 5 minutes. Release the air, took about 1 minute. So right now I'm looking at it, right? I'm thinking, it's nice. See what it was when I touched it. It looked kind of pale. You're looking at it now, right? I touched it and it was kind of tender. Okay, so yeah, it was kind of tender. I think I put it back here. Right? Now I think here. No, I'm taking it out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So at that point, I had to let it cook. And now I'm putting it to the side. Here we go. Here we go. This is the final. Enjoy. That looks so good. That looks so good. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, and hit that bell to get my next message.
Do I need Roku on my phone to be able to cast TV?
Nope.
Where's my casting? Come on.
Can I eat it now?
DEEBO.